Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here with CryptoGains. Today the focus is on on-chain analysis for Bitcoin with data compiled from Glassnode. We're beginning by observing that last week mean transaction fees reached a new all-time high, which exceeded the top that was reached during the previous bull run in Bitcoin, which ended in the beginning of 2018. Now, I don't want to be extremely bearish by observing the similarity between the trends in the average transaction fees, but there are quite substantial similarities between the 2017 peak and the current peak that we're observing in Bitcoin. In addition to that, what we're observing is that the total transfer volume, change adjusted, also peaked and it's been sustaining levels above 10 billion for over 120 days. Actually, this time it's 136 days. Another similarity between the uptrends in the 2017-2018 peak and the current bull run. Consequently, because related to these very high transaction fees that we indicated, the number of active addresses has dropped over the past week, which is not a reason to be alarmed by itself, but it's just something to be aware of. However, what is more optimistic to note is that altcoins tend to be dormant, as can be seen by the average spent output lifespan, which is decreasing, which is suggesting that contrary to what was happening between October and January, when the altcoin were getting spent and the long-term holders were selling Bitcoin, now it seems that they're accumulating, so this gives us some confidence that actually the uptrend is still intact. And in addition to that, miners' net positions are changing, and from being net sellers or distributing the Bitcoin that they're mining, they're now accumulating, probably indicating that they're considering these prices as good opportunities for long-term growth. Let's now move to the technical charts and see how we can trade some of these insights. Beginning with Bitcoin versus Tether, 54,400 is the critical level. Above that level, I'm recommending to buy Bitcoin with targets at 55,000, 55,500 and 56,500, which are the nearest reasonable take profit targets. Conversely, below 54,400, we can sell Bitcoin with targets at 53,400 and 52,400. Now we're moving to Ethereum. Above 2,540, Ethereum presents attractive buying opportunities with targets at 2,575 and 2,620. Conversely, below that pivotal point at 2,540, it would be more reasonable to sell Ethereum with targets at 2,490 and 2,430, which, as we can see, are the reasonable support levels in Ethereum. Now let's take a look at Ripple, which is one of the best performers of the last 24 hours. As I said, Ripple is one of the best performers from the past 24 hours. It reached high levels to as high as 1.46. Now it's retracing some of these gains, but the pivot point is 1.39. Above that level, buying Ripple with targets 1.45 and then 1.5. Conversely, below 1.39, we could see good opportunities to sell Ripple with targets at 1.35 and 1.27. And now let's take a look at Binance Coin. For Binance Coin, I'm waiting to break above 542 before initiating long positions with targets at 550, which is long-term resistance area and very good target for a long position. Conversely, below 542, selling Binance Coin with targets at 538 and 531 would be a reasonable idea for a trade. And finally, let's take a look at Iota. For Iota, the pivot point is 2.11. Above that level, buying Iota with targets 2.145 and 2.195. Conversely, below that level, we could be selling Iota with targets 2.07 and 2.03. So here are three interesting trading, actually 5 trading ideas for you today, coupled with some insightful on-chain analysis. And as always, remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Keep learning with the video education section and the CryptoGains Market Insights subsection. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the Stormgain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.